Hey lovelies, and welcome to my channel. And if you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Ruki, a makeup artist. I live in Abuja, Nigeria. So today we are actually doing something different from makeup, skincare, and every other thing we do on this channel, which is natural hairstyling. Yeah. So I've been carrying my natural hair for a long time, and I have not really explored natural hair. So today I've decided that I am changing style. So I'm going to show you how I came up with this styling. So if you're not too busy, if you're not in a hurry, just stop by and watch till the end. So while the video is going on, to my returning subscribers, kindly like, and if you are coming across my channel for the very first time, you are in the right place. Touch the subscribe button and turn on your notification for every beauty tips we drop on this channel. First, let's start by detangling my hair. You can see my hair is already, oh my god, you can see my hair is already sectioned into four. This is one, this is the second section, this is the third, and this is the fourth. So let's start from here. So I can tell you for free that my hair is not as easy as it appears. It's very stubborn. This is 4C hair. Like, if there is anything stronger than 4C, that's my hair. And the only way I calm my hair is to hydrate my hair all the time, and that is actually not easy to keep up with. So right now there's no way I could have combed this hair without spraying my hair with water and then moisturizing. What I'm using here basically water, and I have this palm kernel oil. It's very healthy for my hair, so this is what I use almost all the time. Come here and section this right here. This is where I'm styling, and my styling starts from. To make it smoother. So I'm always careful with how I comb my hair, so that because of breakage, so I use this comb to comb very well. And then I now section this same one into two and twist it down. Not very tight twisting, but something I feel like this place is very strong. So I feel like combing it. So I go back there again. I go back into it with this. Oh my god, this is sweet. Then I still have some left.
Session it. So the last one is very small, so this is so tiny.
soaking a whole lot of palm kernel oil into this to moisturize it, because I want to be able to section it without feeling any pains. So now that I'm done, so I'll be sectioning from here, yeah, from here. I'm only portioning this hair because the way I want it. If you want your own bigger, you can make it bigger. So I've added a small amount to this because I've not detangled this hair properly. So this is it. Because I want it to be this way, I'm going to grab it from the side. I want that part.
I don't want to close your eyes up. Ah, okay.
So I'm going to take this one and wrap it with this very tight, like this. Hold on. It's been like 3 days I did this. Yeah, I went to work for the rest of the week with the hair, and today is Saturday. And now I want my curls. I'm going to lose this hair and see if we can get some curls out. There's also, hey, hey. Is that my tummy?
What this was my piece. Ha! Is this gonna call? Please no.
I think because it was too big, that's why I'm having all of these challenges. But let's see how I can work around it. Next time I'm going to make it smaller. Yes, actually this top. I'm going to make it smaller. But I like how it's turning out. Sha. Oh, wow. This is the hair right now. I don't know how I feel. I don't know if it's because my hair is not that long. This is it. This is what I came up with. It's full. I like how full it is. I like how it formed. I like how it is generally. I just want to have a change of look, a change of hairstyle, and I want to explore new hair. So I like it. I love it. I'm sure I'll do better next time. I don't know what it is right now, but I'm gonna figure it out. And I'm sure I'll do better next time. I'm going to hold this side to the back and pack it up and then leave the front the way it is. Yeah, this is more like it. This is more like it. This is how I actually envisage my hair. So that is it. While I'm looking out for other styles to do, I'm actually also going to research on things I need, and I'll bring updates to all of you that is looking forward to see how we come up with more styles on this channel. This is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share to that your friend who is a naturalista, and don't forget to turn on your notification. And you can also let me know the kind of video you want me to upload, and maybe I can actually put that in consideration. See you in my next video.